Hello and welcome to All You Need to Know to Play a Ukulele, or to play your first song on the ukulele, in under 2 minutes. Start by putting the ukulele in your right hand and plucking the first string with your thumb. Turn on the snark tuner by pressing the button. I've already done that part. And then find the tuner that is attached to your first string and tighten it until it says A. Right there. Notice I turned very slowly. And now we're going to try our first song, which is Mary Had a Little Lamb. You play a 0 on that string by just plucking the open string. And then a 1 goes right behind the first fret. 2, 3, and 4 on the first string. And Mary Had a Little Lamb starts right there on the 4. Let's try line 1. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, and then a rest, and then 4, 4, 4, rest. That's line 1. We've got a little bit of time left, so let's go to line 2. It starts the same as line 1. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0, 2, 3, 4. For more of the easiest way to read and play songs, especially for brand new beginners, come visit me at exactnotes.com.